As a nutrition coach, you're paid to do one thing, and that is create results. And logically, your clients come to you and immediately want those results. And as coaches, well, we know they want those results yesterday. Unfortunately, as a coach, we know a lot of clients that are showing up today are broken in some manner and not necessarily in a position to immediately start pursuing their goals. This is exactly why at NCI, we teach a concept called nutritional periodization, a concept that you can find inside the nutrition coaching cheat sheet. But I want to take a minute because chances are you haven't downloaded the cheat sheet yet, or you're a lot like me, you did download it and well, you haven't read it yet. So let me explain to you what periodization is, how you can use it, how you can get better results for your clients, how you can create more longevity with your clients, keep them longer, get paid longer, and ultimately have a bigger business. So logically, periodization with clients, it makes sense in an athletic setting, right? We can take an athlete, we know what they're doing in season, they're trying to win. We know what they're doing post-season, they're creating recovery. We know what they're doing off-season, they're getting more strength, they're getting more skills, and we know what they're doing in preseason, they're ramping up to that next season. And logically, they continue to go through these cycles, they continue to get better and better, they get bigger, faster, stronger, perform better, get better results. But how do we apply this to our nutrition coaching clients? Well, we have to understand that season is really the active pursuit of a client's goals. It could be fat loss, it could be muscle gain, it could be more performance in the gym. Whatever the immediate goal is, that is what you are pursuing in season. And that's what your client has to remember, that the goal is always the goal. It's not other things, okay? So that's what we're gonna look at in terms of season. Now, every dose of stress, i.e. what's going on in season, also requires a dose of recovery. And that is what postseason is all about. And this is perhaps the most overlooked component in nutrition today, is that a lot of coaches are very good at taking their clients to results, but they're not good at helping their clients recover from that pursuit of achieving those results, all right? So in postseason, we are going to get our clients back to homeostasis or a homeostatic balance. It's only from that point that you're going to be able to create future adaptations. So if you're ignoring postseason, if you're just going from season to off season, you're cycling back and forth, you are missing valuable time. You're missing a lot of valuable energy that can go into creating longevity that can actually be spent to produce results in advance just by obeying the principles of postseason. Now, once we create that adaptation, once we create that homeostatic balance, then we can jump into off season. Then we can start creating real changes. This is where you can be adding more muscle. This is where you can be working on metabolic capacity, things that are going to allow the next season to be a little more productive. And naturally, we always want to have some sort of preseason, some sort of pre-diet, lifestyle management type scenario. You know, a lot of clients, they don't even understand the rigors of what they're getting into in an active pursuit of goals, be it fat loss or muscle gain. They need to know exactly what they're getting into. They need to know mentally what they're getting into. Physically, they need to be prepared. So yes, I believe every diet should have a preseason. Now, again, it's a lot easier to understand in the athletic setting, but if you want to use these principles, if you want to apply them to your lifestyle clients, your general fat loss clients, and you want to know how to ultimately create better results, keep your clients longer, get them to pay you more money for a much longer amount of time, go ahead and look below this video, download the Nutrition Coaching Cheat Sheet. All of the tools that we have used to help create results for tens of thousands of individuals are in there. They're yours for free. Can't wait for you to put it to use, and we will see you on the inside.